of the death of one person who had gone for sunburn, I had come to know in the morning because the father of the boy and a voter of mine, they were classmates, and immediately he informed me that the boy had consumed something in Sunburn, and then he was not feeling well. He was rushed to the private hospital in Warsaw, where he died, and then they were taking the body for post-mortem to GMC. It is sad because when such kind of deaths take place in these events, it brings us memories of what people have been echoing, what people have been saying, that this festival is not going to bring us good tidings. And one has to take care, right from the organizers to the police to every security, because the manner in which things can slip in, even the best intentions you may take, does not help. And I think that these are things which happen, which bring and give bad name to any festival. Nowadays, you know what is the law. I think they should have had a pre-check of those who are entering, because you know for one reason that even when there has been smuggling, there are people of the aircraft who are working, pursers, air hostess, they themselves are carrying. You are checking passengers, but you don't check your stuff, and therefore it could have slipped in through them, in connivance with them, or they letting people in from the back door. This is one. As far as people who are coming in, because you see, there's a possibility somebody could have consumed and come inside. But to have that kind of an effect or the impact at that time would only show that things probably were available inside. And when these kind of events happen, I think the anti-narcotics cell has to be more active. The police itself has to be more policing to be done. And even plainclothes police should be there patrolling so that they can pick up people who are suspects. And because these kind of peddlers want to have a free run, and this is the market which they feel is the best time where innocent people, sometimes you know, people, tourists who come here, they come innocently. Somebody tells them, just try it, and they are not accustomed to it. And then they throw up and these kind of things, tragedies happen. So I think there has to be an accountability. I think the government has to pull up its socks. The police also have to do their duty to ensure that we don't suffer these kind of tragedies. You see international festivals when there are all over the world, we don't hear this kind of things of people dying. People go enjoy, they come, but we don't hear people dying. But people are just dying here. So I think that a greater responsibility and onus is there, because you know the type of attacks we are having on our tourism. Tourism is going down the drain, and we need to make sure that we don't lose out, because after mining, which has been stopped by the BJP government, now I think they are going to kill tourism in this manner. So I think we need all together to resolve to make sure that we allow tourism not just to survive, but remain number one, which Goa once was.